Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a rough 2 weeks. My family and I came down with COVID. I got it, my wife got it, and our son Sean got it. Somehow, Olivia didn't get it at all. I have no idea how that works. There were a couple rough nights, but I'm starting to feel a lot better. I took my third COVID test, and I finally tested negative. I've been taking it day by day, and tomorrow there's supposed to be 10 to 11 foot waves, heavy claim. So I'm hoping I can get after it, but if I'm not feeling it, I'm not gonna push it. I just wanna be safe. So, I guess we'll see. It doesn't hurt to check. Woo!
You should have seen the wave of the day came in 18-foot face at smack mid, right at it.
Good morning, everybody. Back at it. I have been taking this recovery process day by day. Yesterday was mental. Those waves were huge, and I cannot tell you how disappointed I am that I could not paddle out. I really wanted to, but I think I made the right choice with holding back and having the discipline of not paddling out. I just wasn't ready physically, and I could have got really hurt, or even worse. I was stoked to meet up with Ben Gravy though. If I keep bumping into you, Ben, we might become friends. Today I'm gonna head over to Brick Skatepark. It's been about a month since I've skated there. When I got back home from Florida, it snowed, so the park was shut down, but it's finally opened back up. It is super cold outside though. It's 11 degrees, so I doubt anyone will be there, but you never know. I definitely feel a lot better today than I have this entire week. I kicked the symptoms of COVID pretty quick, but the after effects of it have really taken a number on me. I've just been super tired, been getting headaches, a little lightheadedness, but today I don't feel any of that. So it's time to get back on the board and get after it. Woo! Okay, wow, that was a gnarly session. Chompy Jones killed it. That blunt to kickflip was insane. Thanks for watching, guys. New videos every week. I appreciate all the love and support, and I'm stoked to be back. Peace out.